Welcome to GemWeb blog. In this video, we are going to see the difference between AWT and Swing. What is meant by AWT? It stands for Abstract Window Toolkit. What is meant by Swing? It is a part of Oracle's Java Foundation classes, JFC. What package to be included to implement AWT and Swing? To implement AWT, the package to be included is java.awt. And in order to implement Swing, the package to be included is javax.swing. Now we will see about look and feel. What is meant by look? It is an appearance of guy widgets. And what does it mean feel? The way the guy widgets behave. Totally, look and feel means how the guy looks like and behaves. What is meant by guy widget? It is the guy which is responsible for interacting with the application. We all know that each and every operating system has its own look and feel. Now we will compare AWT and Swing with respect to look and feel. AWT adapts native look and feel, whereas Swing adapts pluggable look and feel. So what is meant by native look and feel? It is purely rendered by the native code. That means if you want to implement any component means the request has to be sent to the existing or underlying OS. So that piece of code is called as peers. Whereas in Swing it is rendered by the Java code. So that is native look and feel means here if you are implementing the label in a Windows means it will look like a Windows label. If you are implementing the label on Mac OS means it will look like a Mac label. Same if you are implementing on Motif means it will look like a Motif label. So based on the existing operating system the components will look. Now we will compare AWT and Swing with respect to components. Each and every components in AWT are heavyweight components. That is pure components because the components are OS dependent. Since it is a heavyweight, the components will load very slowly. Now with respect to Swing, it is a lightweight components. It is not pure components. It is full and full, it is written purely in Java code. So it is OS independent. Since it is a lightweight components, the components will get loaded very quickly. Now we will compare AWT and Swing with respect to platform dependence. We already said that AWT components are platform dependent. Since it is a platform dependent, the look and feel changes according to the OS. Whereas Swing, it is platform independent, the look and feel remains constant. Suppose if we want to change it, it can be done using set look and feel methods. Now we will see in details about Windows look and feel. So this output window incorporates the Swing components with Windows look and feel. Windows look and feel is used by the Windows environment. If you want to apply Windows theme to your Swing guys means you can go for Windows look and feel. If you want to include Windows look and feel into the program means you can set using set look and feel and with this parameters. Now we will have simple illustration on Windows look and feel. This is the Windows look and feel concept. So now we have incorporated the Windows look and feel. Now I am executing. I have compiled it. Now I am executing it. Now see, now Windows look and feel has been applied for this guy components. Next we will see about Metal look and feel. It is also called as Java look and feel. It is a platform independent and it is the default look and feel. If you want to set metal look and feel means, and this is the code to include in your program, and this window represents the guy components with metal look and feel. Now we will have demonstration on metal look and feel. Now we have included the metal look and feel in the program. I am executing it now. So now this is the metal look and feel window. Next we look in detail about motive look and feel. It is the standard toolkit for building application on Unix operating systems. This window replicates motive look and feel. If you want to set motive look and feel in your program means, this is the coding to include. Now we will have illustration on motive look and feel. Here now we have applied the motive look and feel in your program. Now the motive look and feel window has appeared. Now we have seen in detail about different look and feel with illustration. Now we will compare AWT and Swing with respect to MVC. AWT does not support MVC pattern, whereas Swing support MVC pattern. What is mean by MVC? Model View Controller. It is used to provide much flexible user interface. So with respect to Swing, it separates look and feel of a component from the logic. So what about the memory usage? AWT occupies more memory space since it depends upon the underlying OS, whereas the Swing occupies less memory space. Now we have listed the AWT components and its equivalent Swing components. These are the AWT components and its equivalent Swing components. Thank you.